They're so funny, man. Wow. They just brought 4 kids so sharp like this. That's so fast. Mensim kalakinde. Yo, what's up, Meghalaya Shillong? Kubno Pilong Paralok. Yes, your African boy back again, Gabs Gabi. And today we are checking Konglieh. Konglieh, but Bahlieh. Konglieh, but Bahlieh. Konglieh. Kong is like a lady, right? Konglieh. It's like a lady. So, but Bahlieh. Bahlieh. Bahlieh is like, Bahlieh is it like tell me or something? Bahlieh. Bahlieh is like tell me, I think. I'm just guessing, okay? Just tell me the full meaning of Konglieh, but Bahlieh, guys. Official music video. 6 minute music video, guys. I think I'm going to watch a lot of action today. So curious to check it out. So make sure to subscribe my channel, guys. A lot are watching, but they are not subscribing, guys. That is not good. Support me, guys. You only people I'm doing this reaction to, you guys, Meghalaya especially. So kindly, if you didn't subscribe now, just see down there. It will show you if subscribe or not. I'm requesting. Yes, it's a request, humble request, guys. I want to come Meghalaya when I'm having a lot of followers or subscribers, so that when I start posting my vlogs, you people will love it. Okay, so kindly subscribe now, make it now, guys, and let's watch Konglieh but Bahlieh. Let's go. Start. Composer Joseph. I love his pan. See, his pan is just coming so big down like this. That baggy pan. This is all style, all style. I can feel the story. I can feel the story. It's like how the men will be working, doing the hard work, right? Yeah. They're doing the hard work. You know, men always they do the hard work, guys, for the house. But from where they got that elephant part, guys? Oh, you also do yielding. Pynshai. La 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 la, oh la 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 la. Those men are working so hard for you. Don't need to be see that guy, how is he starting? Niba, those are the Niba. Mensim Jongaro. Hey, Niba, get you one Niba, bro. Whoa, don't play, bro, it's so sharp. Okay. Hey, Niba. This is I feel like it's kind of a old meanings, old stories, old story. Oh, Niba is now dancing with you guys. So beautiful.
Bahlieh men sim jong akai shu kende bat ngam tip ru kum nu ngam le su siang kum la su bon ki nam ya kisni.
So sharp. Hey,
Will you marry me?
Yes.
hey, they have grown old. So it took that long, even the guys have grown old.
Adien ka inspection na ikin reji dum dan labu kia kisni. They ha usnem kat kendai spa kendai.
Wow, congrats. The Niba finally accepted you. Niba and Niba accepted themselves.
Kendai spa kendai pau hen yo lak men ubhai lakar wai kasyo la 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 la.
Follow her, bro. Hey, this is like a folk dance.
Langa deina kendong jing im don la ka thong ki thei nasor ngan ya lambe chash nong na la lenti la jong ba kho ru ba kho ram nasor ngan ya limba juga asam.
Hey, from Shillong to Assam, here we go.
Ikun kadu iba nasor lat nong mangan ya lam beja teng ho bunga Bahlieh en bok ya larkan ar
that two guys behind, they're so funny, man.
Pada kaleli arto sansnem mentah laroi parum.
Wow, they just brought 4 kids so sharp like this. That's so fast.
Arto sansnem mentah laroi parum pare kumba menshua mensim kalakende
Mensim kalakinde. Mensim kalakinde. Oh, they made the family so fast. Happy 25th anniversary. Oh my gosh, they already made it to 25th anniversary. That was nice, guys. But you know what, this music video, I feel like it's kind of this is like all the story, the all life, like back in the days, how people used to live, those uncles, how they do the hard working, and it's like the story of their life, guys, because this is not the modern way of life currently. But I love it, like, you know, when those big singers, they sing or they tell the story of their life when back in the days in 90s, guys. It will be funny for you, like in this music video. It's so funny, and at the same time it's like comedy, because for them, we are now in a modern world, but for them, this is how they used to live before. And it's so nice seeing the all the story. Their life used to be so simple, guys. Everything used to be simple. And I see one similarity here when, like, the northeast, I mean the Meghallian people there, when they marry, guys, they also wear like the white dress and the black suit for the men. Like, it's something similar to our places, like in Africa mostly. This is how they conduct their marriage, guys. And I found it similar and amazing, guys. This is really so true and so funny, also enjoyable to watch this. I love those two guys also who were dancing behind. Like, they really perform so well and so funny at the same time. So thank you so much. And don't forget subscribe. Till next time, guys. Tata.